Alright, question 11. Leo bought a used car for X dollars. 1 year later, the value of the car was 0.88x. Which expression is another way to describe the change in the value of the car? You might be looking at this, you might say, well, I have no idea even where to begin. X dollars, what do I do with that? What is 0.88 all about? Well, let's do what we did last time. Let's draw a rectangle. That'll help. So you have X. That's the price of the car. And a year later, it's 0.88x, right? So what happened? Well, let's remember from 6th grade that 88% is another way of saying 88 per 100, right? Percent means per 100. And 88 hundredths is the same as 0.88. So here you have 88% of X, right? This amount here, well, 0.88 is another way of just saying that's 88% of X. That's 88% of X. And X, well, I mean, this guy is 100% of himself, right? Because he's just X. And 100%, remember, 100% is just another way of saying if you move the decimal place 0.2 places, that's just 1, right? That's like 100 over 100. And any number divided by itself is 1. So 100% is 1. So that's just 1x. And here you have 88% of it. And if you have 88% of it, well, what's the step down? What's the step down? Well, that's a 12% step down. So what happened? Well, I mean, cars depreciate, right? So a used car was bought at X, and then a year later it depreciated to 88% of its original X value. So it decreased by 12%. So that's what they're saying happened here. It's a decrease of 12%. Let's see what my options are. 0.12% decrease. Okay, that looks good. Whoa, wait a second here. That's 0.12%. That's a really kind of mean-spirited distractor. Because it looks so tempting. But don't get fooled for it. There's a couple of these in there, 0.12%. No, it's just 12%, right? You lost 12%. So it's not 0.12%, you lost 12%. That's not right. 0.88% decrease. No. We lost 12. We're at 88. And that's a 0.88 anyway. So that's not right. Yeah, 88% increase now. 12% decrease. That's what we have. 12% decrease.